Ornamental grasses are in their prime in late summer, and if you want that designer look, just add a few perennials. So let's start with the big wow. We're going to pair the evergreen red hook sedge Uncinia with little Goldstar, a dwarf Rudbeckia. Beautiful orange on red. Black Mondo grass is great for all the drama it provides, but it totally disappears if you plant it on black soil. What you need is a low evergreen ground cover that contrasts really nicely, like this white star creeper. Then you can really appreciate the silhouette of this beautiful ornamental grass. Molinia Variegata is one of my favorite gold variegated grasses. It's nice and airy, but if you really want to use it to its best advantage, just put a little Russian sage behind it and you have a beautiful display. The dark purple of this Monarda Rockin raspberry is really quite lovely, but if you want it to shine, just add a little banded foliage like this Miscanthus little zebra. Helictotrichon or blue oat grass is one of my favorite evergreens. Just add a little lemon yellow Echinacea and it really comes alive.